Hey YouTube, welcome back to Elsisco TV. This is your favorite bearded chef Elsisco, and on episode 12 of Quarantine and Cook, we're making the most amazing cheesecake in a jar. This dish is simple, it's delicious, it's the best thing you're gonna eat after a meal. Let's get right into the video. Alright, so we're gonna start by adding 16 ounces of softened cream cheese to our mixture here, and we want to go ahead and mix this until it's nice and soft. Hit that red subscribe button so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Now we want to slowly pour in 6 ounces of heavy cream. Now to our mixture, add 2/3 cups of sugar. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Right here I'm just increasing my speed to medium. And I'm going to go ahead and zest some lemon here. I'm going to zest half of my lemon that I'm going to add to this mixture. Lastly, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of nutmeg to our mixture. Once everything is incorporated, we're just going to cover it and have it chill in the fridge for a couple minutes. Now we're going to add 1 pack of graham crackers to our food processor and blend that up, and the consistency we were looking for is almost of sand. As you can see here, it's nice and fine. This is what we're looking for. Now we're going to separate our Oreo cookies. We're going to reserve the cream for a later step in the recipe, so we're just going to scrape that off for right now. We don't need it. Now we're going to repeat the same steps as the graham crackers and just blend it until we have a sand-like consistency. We're going to melt a whole stick of butter, and now we're going to take our graham cracker and spread it on our baking sheet. To that, we're going to add half of our butter. Use a fork to incorporate the mixture, and we're looking for a coarse sand consistency. Here's a closer look. Now we're going to repeat the steps for our Oreo. So now we're going to prepare our strawberries. First we're going to cut off the tops, then we're going to cut those in half, and then we're going to cut each of our strawberries into 8 pieces. Our strawberries have been separated. Some will be going into our cheesecake jars, while the others will be creating our strawberry syrup. To our syrup mixture, we're going to add half a cup of sugar and then 1/4 cup of water. We're going to boil this, and then once it comes to a boil, reduce it. Now we're going to make an Oreo crumble by adding 4 whole Oreos to our food processor plus the cream that we have reserved from earlier. This is exactly how you want it. Now we're going to take half of our previously made cream cheese filling and we're going to add our Oreo crumble to that and just fold it in nicely. Now we're going to add this mixture to a Ziploc bag. If you don't have a Ziploc bag or a piping bag, you can simply spoon this mixture into the jars. Now we're going to take our strawberry syrup and we're just going to strain that off. And we're just going to reserve this and chill it in the fridge. Now we're going to construct our cheesecake in a jar. Start with our graham crackers. Now we're going to pipe in our cheesecake mixture. I'm going to spin it around to even it out. Give it a nice little spin. And add our strawberries. Top it off with strawberries, and then we're going to add our strawberry syrup. So here's our final product. We have our Oreo cheesecake, strawberry cheesecake, and as an added bonus, a blackberry cheesecake. Bon appetit! Catch you on the next video.